नमस्ते भारत। लगता है बहुत सारे अलग अलग जगह से यहाँ पे सब लोग एकत्रित हुए हैं। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अपेक्षा है। मैं एक आंतरिक रूपांकनकार हूँ। यहाँ पर मैं अपने जीवन साथी वास्तुशिल्पकार रोहित के साथ हूँ। और एक सबसे पहले आगे बताओ अपने बारे में, और सबसे पहला एक स्वार्थ भरा रीज़न बता रही हूँ मैं आप सबको। वी आर हियर टू टेक ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम नन अदर देन जेसन सर. He is sitting right here. And sir, very proud to see you again after so many years. Okay, so we are a architecture and interior design company, pure human-centric designs that you do. So first aspect is that ma'am, सिर्फ आप और health and fitness business में नहीं है, हम भी है. We talk of the health and fitness of the building and for its occupants. We create spaces which bring people together. Absolute people-centric, absolute addressing to their needs. That is what we call as super luxury. Not putting Satvario's super luxury, but which is super personalized. Super personalized. Like for you, I know what wardrobe you would need, you know, for the dresses that you wear. I know what wardrobe she needs with the sari that she wears. Pure super luxury comes in super personalization. That is what we specialize. We are green building designers, not only architecture, but in interiors also. We constantly do R&D which benefits mankind. That is the sole purpose of our company. We believe in nurturing mankind by creating sustainable and green spaces, just not for the occupants, but also for the people who are working behind them. Our power team, we are very, very proud to have a wonderful team back in our office who are even working today on a Sunday because they know what the timeline means, they know what the client needs at what particular time. More about us, I'll hand over to Rohit.
एज यूजुअल वाइफ को छोड़ती नहीं है हस्बैंड को बोलने के लिए, तो जो आपने छोड़ दिया वो मैं बोल देता हूँ. वी आर अ 23-year-old फर्म एंड वी आर ऑल द वे फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली एंड वी ड्रीम ऑफ इन द फ्यूचर इफ वी रिटायर we dream to convert this business of architecture and interior design into a system-based business. The world is doing big businesses based on systems. Starbucks, McDonald's, you know the drill. And we have very, very successfully systemized our business. Each project is broken down into tasks, into dates, into elements so that, so in short, if I tell you, we got free after we could systemize our business. And we want to give this as a gift to the future students, future generations to come. Because that is something which will free them and make them more focused to innovation and design rather than deciding what drawing to go next in our business. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I would also add something to what Rohit just said. Our vision, which we didn't disclose, is that we want to see India grow at every point, at every part. You know, बहुत negative बातें हो चुकी politically, culturally, education में, hospitality में, हमारी industry को unorganized sector कहा जाता है. So to start with, few of us have come together and form a group called Maverick Minds, where we invite anybody and anywhere from any entrepreneur or any business owner who is stuck up with anything in life. I mean anything, whether it is buildings, whether it is business, whether it is a system of the business, whether it is somebody stuck with some debt recovery, whether it is somebody stuck with some kind of operations in a manufacturing industry or in a trading industry. We are a group of